In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a board to a different workspace in Monday.com. If you're reorganizing your teams or consolidating projects, moving a board between workspaces is a quick way to keep everything tidy and visible to the right people. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need the right permissions on the board to move it. If you don't see the move option, your admin or a board owner may need to adjust your access. Begin by heading to your Monday.com homepage and signing in as you normally would. From the home view, look to the left side of your screen. This is where your main navigation lives, and it's the easiest path to the boards and workspaces you use every day. Open the Workspaces section in the sidebar. This reveals all the workspaces you have access to, along with the boards inside them. Find the board you want to move. It helps to double-check the board name and make sure you know exactly which workspace you want as the destination, especially if your account has a lot of similarly named spaces. Next, hover over the board's name and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. This menu holds actions specific to that board. It's a good habit to pause here for a second and confirm you're on the right board, since the next action will change where it lives. In the menu that appears, hover over the option labeled Move To. This will expand a small submenu with more specific move choices, so keep your cursor steady on that option. From the expanded choices, click Move to Workspace. This tells Monday.com that you want to relocate the entire board, including its items, groups, and updates, rather than just duplicating or moving a single item. You'll now see a list of available workspaces. Click the workspace where you want the board to live going forward. Once selected, the board will be moved. Everything on the board, its structure, items, and history, stays intact. Keep in mind that visibility and access will follow the destination workspace's rules. For example, if you move a board to a private workspace, only members of that workspace with permission will be able to see it, even if they were previously subscribed. Integrations and automations typically continue to work, but it's smart to be aware of any workspace-specific permissions that could affect them. After the move, navigate to the destination workspace to confirm the board appears where you expect. That's all there is to it. Home, Workspaces, three-dot menu, move to Workspace, and pick your new home. This simple workflow keeps your account organized and your teams aligned.